Lock.
Excited na excited na kami dahil nalalapit na ang pinakaabangan natin Grand Finals ng The Clash
And
Teens!
this morning, magpapakitang gilas sa TikTok Lock stage. Sina Violet Santa Cruz, Martin Miguel at Hannah May ang tatlong clashers na kukumpleto o kumumpleto sa Final 6 ng
The Clash Teens!
Why don't you try to open up your heart? This is
Ang galing naman! Grabe!
Yes! Mga tiktropa, Violet, Martin, at Hannah! Wow! Congratulations sa inyong tatlo dahil pasok na kayo sa Final
Grabe yun. I'm
6.
sure sobrang dami yung pinagdaanan. Ito yung pagkakataon nyo. Invite nyo naman ang mga supporters nyo na ituloy-tuloy lang ang pagsuporta sa inyo hanggang sa Grand Finals. Let's go, guys!
Mga tiktropa, I'm inviting you guys to stream my song Morning Sky under GMA playlist out on all streaming platforms. And also make sure to vote me as your favorite teen clasher on gmanetwork.com/theclashteensvote. And to shout out also to all of my supporters out there, Barangay Kupang, Antipolo City, and my community of supporters, Lila. Shout out.
Yes po, please support me by listening to my single, Ikaw ang Pipiliin Ko, on GMA playlist. It's out on all streaming platforms po. And also vote for me as your favorite clasher. And I also want to give a big shout out to all of my supporters sa Dubai, in Calamba, Laguna, and of course in Agusan del Sur po. And also you can also follow me and add me in all of my social medias account, Martin Miguel po. Thank you po.
Ayan. So hello po Clash Nation. Inaanyayahan ko po kayong suportahan po ang single ko titled Siguro Nga. Out na po siya sa all streaming platforms at inaanyayahan ko po kayong iboto po ko bilang inyong favorite teen clasher at shoutout po pala sa mga kababayan ko dyan sa Lawak, Pangasinan at sa Cebu City. Ayan.
Ayan naman. Kaya naman, Violet, Martin at Hannah, congrats at good luck sa Grand Finals. Up next, marami pa tayong paandar at pa-blessing sa pagbabalik ng
TikTok Lock!
Tiktropa, pinanood mo hanggang sa dulo itong video na to? Very good ka! For more happy time, watch more TikTok Lock videos on our official social media pages and subscribe to GMA Network official YouTube channel.